Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2016 Kia Sorento equipped with the Freedom Motors rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. We'll first open up the back. You can then use this handle to bring the ramp down. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user. This one is going to come with a set of retractable straps. In the middle you will have 2 additional seats. And this van here only has 56,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring up the ramp. You can bring it up like so and close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the vehicle. So this one is going to have 56,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.